How to use your points on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now firstly, what you have to do is, in order to be able to use your points, you have to purchase something. So first you have to select an item to make an order. For now, I'm going to choose this one. After you select it, you can select the quantity, likewise size, and then tap on the option of add to cart. After you are done with selecting the items, at the top right you will find this cart icon, tap on it. Now tap on the option of checkout. You will land to this kind of page. First you have to fill up your shipping address. After you do that, select your shipping method and then scroll down, select payment method. You can apply for voucher, likewise you can use gift card, and then heading towards this option of points, tap on it. From here you can easily use your points. Just enter the points and then tap on the option of apply, and with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can use your points on Shein account. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.